Hey guys, welcome to the Agriculture Central YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered how they make cocoa peat? Well, today we're going to explore the entire process of making cocoa peat from start to finish. Let's dive in and see how it's done. Cocoa peat, or coconut coir, is a beneficial plant-growing medium widely used in gardening. Its unique properties, including excellent water retention and aeration, promote healthy root development by maintaining optimal moisture and airflow. The process begins by locally collecting coconut husks.
Đây đó. Mitt.
So, we've taken this finely powdered cocoa peat and compressed it into these neat cubes. I think this product is ready to hit the market now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for the next video. See you soon.